Hello, this is just a short video to explain the ICS L85 Hop-up Arm 3D printed version 2. Just to explain what's different, this is the original ICS L85 Hop-up Arm, and under heavy BB loads, when you try and adjust the hop, because it's made of plastic, it can twist slightly, which I'm sure you've seen. It can twist ever so slightly. If my camera will just focus for a second, it can actually twist and give you a bad hop, because inside your barrel, just remember how to use a pen, inside your barrel, instead of this being your hop surface, so that's a terrible picture, that's absolutely terrible, we'll start that one again, cut that out, instead of this being your hop surface, a nice flat surface at the top there, in line with the barrel, you have this as a hop surface. So it's nice, and then it comes out and you get this bubble here. And that is because the hop arm is, to exaggerate it, is bent like that, instead of nice and straight. So you want to avoid the twisting in the plastic arm. Now, the original design for this was made by the Grover on mycncuk.com, and this is the aluminium print of his design that was from Shapeways. It cost me about £17, I think, once I got it delivered, and that was by Pleomin. I got this, I tried it. It was a great improvement, it fixed the twisting. However, I did notice a small problem, and that brings me on to this arm. So, as you might be able to tell, there is a tiny minute difference, and that is the actual placement of the arm itself. Forgive my horrendous camera focusing, let's get rid of that. And the difference is subtle, but quite dramatic. So, if I just show you them side by side there, you'll see the arm on the right, which is the modified version 2 arm that I've uploaded onto Shapeways for you, is slightly retreated. So why is that? That is because here is the stock barrel for the ICS L85 and the hop-up unit. If you can see, if I just turn my flash on in just a moment, this is actually S-hopped, and I've used the worst possible colour imaginable for you to actually be able to see the damn thing inside the hop unit. But if you have a look here, as I insert it, you can see the S-hop there, and you can see where the end of the barrel is towards the right there. As you see, it disappears just as it engages. So the very back of the hop unit goes to the barrel here, and the very front of it goes to about here. So using both the version 1, should we call it, actually engages the nub all the way back here. Now what that does is it puts a load of pressure at the back, which if you're S-hopped isn't too bad, but if you're using anything else is quite bad. So that actually puts a lot of pressure at the back, which means that you've got an aggressive edge, a big flat edge that your BB's hitting, rather than a gentle slope. This corrects that by moving the engagement from here with the nub to the middle of the window here. And you'll know that because when you insert it into the hop unit, this arm actually slots perfectly onto the left edge here, which means your rubber is pushed down at the middle and it's not twisted, and this is the effect that you have. So that's the ICS L85 Hop Arm version 2, as I call it, that is available on Shapeways. I don't make any profit on this, it's just the cost that they charge, and it's currently £11.64. This is the polished nickel steel version, which is very good quality. I haven't had to sand this down at all, and if you want to push the high weight BBs, the highest feet per second possible, using the littlest amount of hop that is actually centered correctly onto your barrel window, this is the arm for you. Thank you very much for watching.